Why can't you play baseball in the jungle?
Because there are too many cheetahs.
Why is the baseball stadium hot after the game?
Because all the fans have left.
What does a baseball player do when he loses his eyesight?
Become an umpire.
Why did the coach kick Cinderella off the baseball team?
Because she ran away from the ball.
How many baseball players does it take to change a light bulb?
None. They're too busy arguing the last call.
Why did the pastry chef hire a pitcher?
Because he knew how to handle the batter.
What did the glove say to the ball?
Catch you later.
Which are the best animals at baseball?
A scorpion.
Why is an umpire like an angry chicken?
They both have foul mouths.